When the government passed the NIDS Act, in fact, before it was passed, the opposition tried to get them to agree to put it to a joint select committee. We felt that a joint select committee would allow for examination clause by clause, and the public would have been able to make an input as to how they thought that the act should evolve. This was summarily dismissed. They said that they were not prepared to do so because the NIDS Act, the National Identification Registry, had been under consideration for over 40 years, and they were not prepared to extend the time by 40 hours or by 40 minutes. And this is why we were concerned. The act was actually passed in the House in a most unceremonious way because the government had agreed with the opposition that they would postpone the debate, the final debate. The opposition left Parliament and the act was passed by all of the government members who had not read the act and had not had the opportunity to determine whether or not the provisions were appropriate. We had over 60,000 people sign an online petition. We had numerous civil society groups ask the government as well to delay the passing of the bill. In spite of this, they decided that it had to be done. And so we have come to this because we have a duty as the opposition to protect the constitutional rights of the citizens. We have heard their cry, we have heard their protests, and we are responding to it.